Hi everyone, this is Dustin Olverson with America's Dream, and I'm in one of our flips that we just finished, which always inspires me to go ahead and do a little bit of speaking on what's going on in real estate investing, or me and Jason Johnson's world, what we got going on. So it's a weekend, I'm actually just kind of basking in the glory, enjoying looking at a lot of houses, and still amazed that we get to do this every single day, every day. And so we've been doing a lot of coaching lately, especially with our networking event with Grid, America's Dream. We have one coming up next week on the 15th, and we're getting a lot of conversations, a lot of phone calls, and we're doing a lot of Zooms on the side with people that at one time did investments or trying to get into investment. And I always thought, why their big question is I'm having problems getting started. I was once this great investor and I was doing these great things. I was young. I didn't know how to manage money and I was spending money. I got married and I had kids and all this happened. And it stopped me from doing that. And I had to go get a 9-to-5 for whatever reason. So I was like, okay, we're talking about this. And, I'm doing these Zoom calls, and sorry for the beeping noise. Somebody didn't put a battery or something in there. And, we're having these conversations, and I was thinking, talking to a lot of people, they're mitigating risks. They're doing their numbers. They're trying to find the right property at the right location. The wind has to be blowing in the right direction. It has to be sunny on Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. And they're doing all this stuff to try to make sure that the property is going to get a return. They're going to be able to sell it. So I start asking a little deeper questions, and what I'm finding out that the reason why a lot of investors are having problems getting started or restarting is because of their risk tolerance and their vision. So if you don't have the vision, just imagine you're an artist and you want to draw a picture, you have to have a vision. You have to have a dream or an image in your mind to be able to make this something. So every time I look at a property, no matter where it is or how rough a division section of the city it's in or town, I develop a vision for that. And that vision helps me materialize what I want to achieve with that real estate investment. And then you also have the risk side. Right? You can't, flipping is speculative. So you're speculating just like you are with stocks that this house is going to do great, that you're going to be able, there is no guarantee. So there is a high level of risk when you are doing rehabs. And if you don't have that risk tolerance, psychologically, you're going to talk yourself out of the deal every single time. Right? Every single time. It doesn't matter if the numbers work. Because I'm talking to these gentlemen and ladies, and a lot of times the number works. I'll say, hey, how much are you trying to get out of this? $30,000. All right, we're running numbers. Realtor fees, staging, we're doing bills. We're putting every penny in there. Well, you're at $33,000. Looks like you got a deal there. And they don't pull the trigger. Right? Because now it's vision. I just can't see this working, or I just don't know how to make this room fit, or it's a 3-unit. It needs to be a 4-bedroom, and I can't put this together. And now they start talking themselves out of it, catastrophizing it. So I would say if you're having problems starting, I would definitely work on your vision, and you're going to have to believe in yourself, and you're going to have to believe in that dream and that vision that it is going to come true. You have to believe in it. And then the other thing, you have to get over that risk. If you're not able to take that risk, you're going to have to stay with the 9-to-5. You're just going to have to. Or you're going to have to find ways to invest in other things. A lot of people invest in me and Jason Johnson, America's Dream, because we have that risk tolerance and we provide a service as rehabbers. We don't just flip anymore. We provide a service for not only lenders, but investors, because we have a great vision. We're able to make vision. We're able to dream. We're able to materialize our thoughts into houses, fans and windows and all those great things. And then we have the risk tolerance to go in there and do the things that a lot of people are uncomfortable doing. And then scaling it by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 per year. So I would say what I found out today talking to a lot of investors and over the last 2 weeks is definitely if you're having problems pulling the trigger, look at your risk tolerance. And also think about if you actually do have that vision, and you may have that vision, but do you believe in it? All right, guys, have a great day. Enjoy your weekend and get after it on Monday. Bye.